Take a ride in the 2020 Chevrolet Express 2500. The Chevrolet Express 2500 has soldiered on for nearly 4 decades, with only one major redesign happening during that time. A rolling testament to the if it ain't broke, don't fix it school of vehicle design. The Express offers a passenger van's timeless features of powerful engines and space, and even more space. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats, vinyl seats, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.